Hello and welcome for a new episode of Get to Know Our Speakers for the PUG Challenge 2023. My name is Wim van der Ham and today I am with Martyn Kemp. Hello Martyn.
Yes, hello Wim, good morning.
Good morning to you. Well, first of all, thank you for your availability.
Yeah, I'm glad to be here and I'm glad to present my presence.
Very good. Since we call this series Get to Know Our Speakers, please tell your name, your company, your experience, and what you do.
Yeah, okay. As you just heard, my name is Martyn Kemp. I'm a senior consultant at Consulting Work. I've got over 25 years of experience of developing with OpenEdge, have other experience in other languages. Primarily, I give my so-called experience and knowledge to companies that want to do modernization or just are stuck in a rut with certain things. So I try to pass on my knowledge and experience and hopefully to improve other people's knowledge and experience. So that's a very brief, short summary of what I actually do.
Very good, very good. Typical consultant role then. Okay.
Yeah, pretty much.
You will be presenting two breakout sessions on the PUG Challenge 2023. Your first such session talks about the Decorator. Well, it's something I need in my house for the walls. Is that what it does for you too?
I mean, you could sort of turn and say, when the painters and decorators are here, then it's a bit of a mess. They make a hell of a mess, and in reality, it's no different to what the decorator pattern is in object orientation. I mean, there are, if my memory serves me correct, there are about 23 different patterns, but the decorator pattern is primarily used to give you a more of a structural pattern, which enables you to, how can I say this, provide wrappers for existing context or existing classes. So it's more of making things more tidier and prettier. So it's about using the right shade of paint or the right wallpaper, so to speak. So that's, but if you want to know much more detail, please come to the session. Then it will become much more transparent.
Very good.
And I promise it will not be a mess.
Very good. Okay, I will be coming definitely to your session. There's another one that talks about the factory pattern. I presume that's also object-oriented ABL?
That is, yes. I mean, I wouldn't say it's ABL. It's typical object-oriented, but when it's applied in ABL, it can be a very powerful pattern to use in your sort of like your projects, shall we say. I mean, it's a way of like class-based programming. It's a way of creating creational patterns and having like small object classes that can be defined for specific points. I mean, if you take like an airplane with seats, when you have like the little screens, you can have things like the monitor size, the Bluetooth settings. They can all be separate factories. And then you say, at the end of it, for seat, for business class, I want these factories. For economy, I have a smaller set of factories. So that's what a factory is. It's allowing you to build smaller classes that can be used more efficiently, and it's object orientated. And the best part here, it provides you with loose coupling. That's the most important part we should all be aware of in object orientation.
Okay.
But please come to the session. When you see the examples, the lights will suddenly go boom and shine the light.
Is there anything else you would like to add?
The only thing I would sort of probably add to this, I mean, the two sessions that I'm doing, it's not just technical. Yeah, that as with any sort of session, there's always a technical aspect, but I prefer to give more of a personal experience. This is all material that I've learned over the years of making mistakes, and trust me, I've made many mistakes. So I've learned from these experiences, and I thought, yeah, how can I do this better? So for me, that's my primary goal, is to pass on my lessons learned to other people, to hopefully help other people not make the same mistakes. So that's what drives me on this path, really.
Okay. Well, Martyn, thank you very much for your time and this short interview. Looking forward to see you in the beach town of Egmond aan Zee in the Netherlands.
Yeah, and hopefully the sun will be shining and it'll be a lot warmer.
Yeah, well, we are quite suffering from hot temperatures here in Italy. So
Oh, on this island, trust me, we're more like we need more canoes.
okay, okay. Well, we'll bring some to Egmond. Thank you very much, and see you
Okay,
then.
take care. Yeah,
Ciao.
have a nice day. Ciao, ciao.